Alright, bud. Well, Lance is beating off. I want prizes more expensive than they could be at any store.
We've never had a junior child adventure before. Do you think we could win any balls?
Shut up. Look.
Ooh-ha-hee! Who wants prizes for you from me? I'm Bucks Freeman, and the first to clear all my games at the History Festival will receive the grand prize. The ducks, the dinos, the dragons, the works. Just win these games and you'll be a winner.
Sounds like a scam and a half. But what else are carnivals for?
Let's do it!
That'll be $5.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Dino Striker! Ah, sorry, pal. That'll be another $30.
Ugh, rip off.
Duck Pond!
Down, boy!
Plinko! Racing!
How is this supposed to work when he's half my height?
Whoa!
Oh, and you fucking asshole!
Bowling!
There's no way in hell I'm paying for that.
I'll use rebound!
And all is right in the world.
Bidding!
That's not even a game!
20! We bid 80!
No, we don't!
300!
Stop!
Guess my age!
Isn't this usually the other way around? Hello? He's not even here for this one.
How are we supposed to guess his age? He looks super old.
Uh-huh.
He must be at least 80, or even 300, or even...
Shut it before we end up wasting even more money because of you. Okay, listen. I have a foolproof plan to figure this puzzle out. Stealing his documents!
What's this? We're being scammed!
Shocker.
Well, that's enough suckers' money for one town. The money people spend on family fun. Time for me to get out of
Found you!
Ah! You found my secret!
Not really a secret.
What about the prize?
Well, you haven't won the last game yet, have you?
A game you won't be around to see the end to, clearly! Give us our money back!
Sorry, all purchases are final. See ya!
God damn it! Why'd you have to spend all our money, Junior?
I thought we wanted to get balls!
Sorry, chum. It'll be $50 to use your ball.
What?
Sneak attacks are premium only.
Grace and glory! What the hell?
I'll be making my leave now.
How do we stop his crypt?
How about no violence at all? No running either.
You might as well block off crypts altogether.
A great idea, miss. You want to hurt little old me just for entertaining you? Well, it'll cost ya. Wait. I didn't do anything wrong. Look, kids, it's a harsh world out there, and I'm not getting any younger. All anyone wants to do is be a winner. See? I made you all winners.
Pay us to breathe.
Okay. I'll give you your prize.
Good. Alright. This prize better be fucking good or I'm ripping off his tail.
Open it! Open it! Oh my god!
Never mind. This was all worth it!